Hello, my name is Jeremy Smith, Marketing Manager with LEA Professional, back at ISE 2026, excited to be here. LEA is a global manufacturer known for Internet of Things smart amplifiers. We recently launched our 3004 series, which is 3,000 watts per 4 channels. This year we're focused on software additions, new features and benefits across our web UI platform, LEA Cloud and Sharkware for advanced complex installations. Again, excited to be here and looking forward to what's next. ISE's been great. It's such a big part of what we do every year. Each year we come here and we're allowed to talk to our customers and interact with our international distributors. It's great to hear feedback from them and some of the challenges in their marketplace so we can continue to work alongside them and help solve their business challenges. For Audiologic, fantastic group. They really do kind of epitomize what it is we look for in a distribution partner. Very hands-on, always willing to work collaboratively with LEA, and again, excited to continue to work with them now and in the future.